Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. In this video, I'm going to discuss one more example for percentage yield. So you have here the equation. You have to check it whether it is balanced or not. Now I have carbon 1, and I got nitrogen 1. Same goes here. Next, I have hydrogen 3 plus 2, 5. And I got 5 here as well. And last but not least, I have oxygen here 2 plus 1, 3 at the left, and I got 3 at the right. So this equation is balanced. Next, we are going to take out the information. It is said that 0.87 mole of NH3. So this is mole for NH3, mole available. Next, 0.94 mole CO2. So you got mole available for CO2 as well. Water is present in excess. So you can label water as excess reactant. So this is one kind of question where you got 3 different reactants, but which one is the limiting reactant? Make sure you read the question carefully because sometimes the hint is coming from the question. Now we are going to continue how to determine the actual yield for ammonium bicarbonate in gram if she obtains 74.4% yield in this reaction. So first thing first, I got mole for both reactants. Automatically, I have to determine which one is going to be limiting reactant. Now, go to the step number 1. You have to do the stoichiometry. What I have here is between ammonia and carbon dioxide. If 2 moles of reactants are given, you must find the limiting reactant. So I'm going to continue by doing my stoichiometry based on ammonia and carbon dioxide. So, from balance equation, 1 mole ammonia reacts with 1 mole CO2. So, when you have 0.87 mole, this is mole available for ammonia. Automatically, you can determine X, which is mole of CO2 is 0.87. This is mole needed. Now, try to do the deduction. Mole of CO2 needed is less than mole of CO2 available. So you can say that CO2 is an excess reactant. But don't forget to put another statement, NH3 is the limiting reactant. So from the previous slide, I had determined NH3 as limiting reactant. So step number 2, I'm going to continue by doing the stoichiometry to find the value for theoretical yield. So first line with statement from balance equation, 1 mole ammonia reacts with my product. So in this case, my product will be X, and mole here is the mole available for limiting reactant, because NH3 is our limiting reactant. I hope you still realize this part. And you rearrange, cross multiply, you will have X as 0.87 mole of NH4HCO3. Now, I'm going to continue with the previous part. You got the mole for my product, which is 0.87 mole. So this is mole for theoretical yield. So how you want to find out the value for theoretical yield? You are going to determine based on mass of NH4HCO3. So I will have this value 68.7822 gram. This is the theoretical yield. Now, we continue with step number 3. You rearrange the formula of percentage yield compared with actual yield. So you have this part. Now I'm going to put all those value for percentage yield is coming from the question, and after that I have to find out the actual yield, and I got the theoretical yield 68.7822 gram, and times by 100, I will have 51.1740. So that is how you want to determine actual yield from this formula. So I leave it, try this 6, 7 and 8 for your exercise. Please complete them. Now we are done with stoichiometry, our third subtopic. Automatically this chapter is done. For the next video, we are going to continue with the new chapter. So that's it from me. Bye.